We are now just 4 weeks away from the grand opening of Ohio's first Buc-ee's in Huber Heights. This is what it looks like as we travel north on State Route 235.
Welcome back to the channel for another Ohio's first Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is March 8th, 2026.
We're standing back in an old familiar spot, the intersection of Arts Road and State Route 235, across the street from the entrance to the Buc-ee's. We're in the mid-50s today, perfect blue sky and sun. There's no snow on the ground, so we came back to our old spot to do our little talk for you this week. As far as the weekly updates go, the ice machines are in place. You still need to put the logos on the front on the door of the ice machines.
And I still need to put some bricks behind them.
We've never seen a Buc-ee's where there wasn't any bricks behind the ice machine, so it's a little bit strange that they put those machines in place without that brickwork behind, because I really wouldn't think that they'd want to have to pull them out to get that done, so maybe this one's going to be a little bit different. They've got more landscaping done throughout the parking lot. They've also got some stop signs placed in different places of the parking lot. That small utility building on the back of the property, work continues back there. We still don't have that 125-foot tall sign erected yet. There's some equipment sitting in the southeast corner of the property back where they just cleared a bunch of trees. That might be where it's going to go, but we're not sure just yet, so I think we're going to find out here in the next week or two. That sign's probably going to be put in place. Still have one Buc-ee's logo left to install on the south fuel pump island. It looks like they have a little bit of work to finish up on the facade there before they can put that logo sign up there. And interesting enough, that sign is actually laying in the parking lot next to the large 125-foot tall sign. It's laying face down in the parking lot, so that seems a little strange to us.
Probably the wind got a hold of it.
I hope not. Those new traffic signals that they installed at the intersection of State Route 235 and the exit ramp from I-70, they're supposed to go operational on March the 9th, so by the time you see this video, they should be working. So if you live or work in this area and you pass through here, you probably already know about that.
Let us know what you think about that.
There's still no sign of where the EV chargers are going to be located. We've been watching for the last couple weeks when we fly the drone, and we just can't see any evidence of where those chargers are going to be located, or even any construction work that's being taken place on where they might be. We had a couple people leave comments in some of our previous videos that stated that Buc-ee's doesn't always have the EV chargers open and ready to go on opening day, and that it was something that sometimes gets put in after the opening.
So if you've been to another Buc-ee's opening, let us know if that's what your experience is, that they probably will be waiting until after the opening.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. Well guys, with 4 weeks to go, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road, and you enjoy the rest of the video.
We almost forgot to mention, we got a contest going on. We recently reached the 5,000 subscriber milestone. So go ahead and find that video. It's just titled 5,000 subscribers. We got some contest rules in there. You go ahead and you can enter up until March the 12th at midnight. We got some cool prizes to give away to you guys to help celebrate reaching this milestone of 5,000 subscribers.
Good luck.
We weren't sure what this was when we were down at the site flying the drone, but after we got home and looked at it closer, it looks like the shopping carts have arrived. This is a look at the retail store. You can see that the ice machines have been put in place. You still need to have the logos placed on the door that tell you the prices, and also the Buc-ee's logo. You can see that the logo has not yet been placed on the roof, and the statue has not yet been placed on the pedestal. As we fly around to the north side of the building, take a look at these dumpsters. Look how many dumpsters are full. This must be from the packaging for all the new equipment that's been placed inside the store. This is a look at the underground fuel storage tank area. We're going to fly along the entire east side of the property. We don't show you this area too often. You can see the work continues on the small utility building. You can also see that loading dock and the new wall that's been installed. See a little bit of water back here in this basin from some of the recent heavy rains. As we fly towards the pond on the southeast corner of the property, what do you guys think about the large 125-foot tall sign? Do you think it'll go back in this area? And if so, when do you think they will install the sign? Do you think it'll be installed next week? Here's a look at the Shell station across the street. We've been keeping an eye on the progress of the renovations they've been making to the store.